Hey guys, I'm Mac with Aero Pest Service, and today we're going to be talking about a natural flea and tick remedy for your little bitty babies. Hey, easy there, you feisty little thing. Get out of here. Get him, Cash. Get him, Cash. Get her. Be biting my mic, crazy thing. We got Miley here, which is a 16-week mini Labradoodle. Well, we'll see how many she gets. They say she's supposed to be about 10 pounds. We got Cash here, which is a 12-week Maltipoo. Look at this thing. Look how tiny he is. He's just so cute. What inspired me to do this video today is I was outside just 2 days ago and I came back in and I found a tick on my neck. Whoa, easy, son, easy, boy. I found a tick on my neck. And the thing is, I'm like, I don't want ticks or fleas on our little babies. You know, matter of fact, I think some people love their dogs and cats more than they love their own kids, right? So anyway, I'm like, I don't want to put harsh chemicals, insecticides on our dogs or our cats because there's going to be side effects that come with them. But yet we also don't want fleas and ticks to be on our dogs because ticks and fleas can cause tapeworms, it can cause dermatitis, it can cause Bartonella, bacteria, it can cause all different kinds of skin irritations and skin issues. And you know what? We just can't have that with our little babies. Can we, Cash? You don't want fleas, do you? You don't want fleas. You don't want fleas, do you? So no, we don't want our babies to have fleas. So here's the deal. We want something that's going to be natural. It's going to be safe, but yet it's going to be effective. So I got a solution for you today. It's very easy. It's very simple. And guess what? It's only 5 simple ingredients. And the ingredients that I have for you today, all I did is I went on Amazon and I purchased all 5 of these ingredients off of Amazon, and they shipped them to my house. So anyway, let me put the dogs down and let's get to it. Now, the first ingredient that I have is going to be non-alcoholic witch hazel, which has anti-inflammatory aspects to it. It's going to help heal the skin, especially if your dogs or cats have had fleas and bites from them as well. So this is a good product. You do not want to get the ones that have alcohol in it, because if your dog has any skin irritations to it, it's going to irritate those bites. So make sure you get the non-alcoholic witch hazel. Now I got this part right here. I got the facial toner because I'm going to use some on mine whenever I get done. So it's not just for the dogs, it's for me too. So we got that product. And then we got the coconut oil. It's the liquid coconut oil. And you want to make sure that it's the liquid because you want to be able to spray it in a little spray bottle. Some people try to just get the regular coconut oil and melt it down. That's not going to work very effective. Get the liquid coconut oil. It's got some proven repellent properties to it. So, and this is extremely safe also for your pets. Matter of fact, the non-alcoholic witch hazel and the coconut oil, it's going to be safe even if your dog or cat licks it. So the next product is going to be neem oil. It actually comes from neem tree. That's N-E-E-M tree from Asia. It's been extensively studied and proven to have a lot of anti-insecticidal benefits to it. And also it's been a proven insect repellent as well. So this neem oil is going to be our third product. The next product we have is cedar wood essential oil. It's got a proven natural flea and tick repellent about it. So when this thing right here is diluted below 2%, which our dilution rate is going to be 1.7%, it's going to be extremely safe for your dogs or cats. So this is cedar wood essential oils. Okay, last but not least, we're going to have our essential oil lavender. We're going to have our lavender essential oil, which has some good antibacterial aspects and properties to it. It's also going to have some healing properties. It's one of the most safest products, one of the safest essential oils that you can actually put on your animals today. So this is going to be a good product. It's going to actually help with some healing aspects of it also. So we got some crazy dogs over here today. So anyway, so we got all 5 of those. So now let's get into it. Let me tell you exactly how much and how to put this on there. That way you can apply it to your dog or to your cat. Honestly, we love our dogs too much and we don't want anything to happen to them. You know, here's the thing. Will you put insecticides on your kids? Probably not. So why do we put them on our dogs? I mean, look at this. No, we wanted some natural remedies to make sure these babies are taken care of. And so they don't get fleas and ticks. They don't have tapeworms or dermatitis or any of those nasty little bacteria or diseases that come from the parasites of fleas. So let's start with our witch hazel. We're going to put 1/2 cup into this little container. It's 1/2 cup. Okay, we got our coconut oil. We're going to put 1/4 cup of coconut oil, liquid coconut oil in here. There we go. All right, now we got the neem oil. We're going to put 3 milliliters of neem oil in here. Let's open this thing up. Okay, next we got our cedar wood oil, essential oil. We're going to have 10 drops of cedar wood oil. And you have, last but not least, your lavender, 10 drops of your lavender essential oil. Okay, now you're just going to take that mixture and you're going to stir it up real good, and then you're going to pour it into a little handy dandy little sprayer like this. Shake it up real good. All right, who's gonna be first? Cash Man or Miley Girl? Which one's first? Miley Girl, you gonna be first? All right, looks like Miley's gonna go first. Now all you wanna do is just lightly mist your dog, but also have a flea comb just like this. You know where I got this at? Walmart for about $1.50. Go to Walmart and get you one of those. Here we go, Miley. Guess what? You're getting ready to smell really good. You're not gonna have no fleas or ticks on you when you go out in the yard, and have a good time. So you just wanna lightly spray your dog, but you wanna make sure you don't get it in her eyes. Then take the flea comb and then spread it evenly. Yeah, I got you. She don't like that, does she? You don't like that, do you? Guess what? All done. You're ready to go. Let's get Cash Man. You ready, boy? All right. Let's see what we got. Actually, Cash is doing a way better job than Miley did. Hey boy, hey little boy. I know. Ain't happy with no fleas on you, buddy. No. Okay, look. That's it. It's very easy. 5 simple ingredients. Non-alcoholic witch hazel. You're gonna have the liquid coconut oil, the neem oil, the cedarwood essential oil, and also the lavender essential oil, okay? So listen, let's go get those products, let's spray them on your dogs. Make sure that they're flea and tick free. And it's all natural. You don't have to worry about any insecticides being on your little bitty babies. And you're gonna be good to go. They're gonna be good to go. No fleas on them, which means no fleas in the house. And if you got any questions about fleas or ticks or anything like that, hey, just let me know. If you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, please put them down in the comment box below. And as always, thank you for liking this video. So thank you for subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate it. This helps us out big time. Okay, now you can do this to your dogs 3 times a week, and if you have a cat, you can just do it 1 time a week. Other than that, you're good to go. And it's been proven, it's been effective, it's natural, it's easy, and it's effective. Get some of that.
For the seafood.